Welcome back, everyone. In your maths notebook, there are very less number of maths book. There are very less number of questions given. So I'm going to give you a little more questions based on this chapter. So put down the date on a new page. On a new page, put down the date and maths fair notebook. Obviously, maths fair notebook. Okay, in maths fair notebook, just wait. Yes, in maths fair notebook. So at the top, write exercise 5.6 and write whatever I am writing. Put question A. Write question A as write P for prime and capital C.
And it is a math period or mental math period.
Who asked this type of question? Obviously, this is maths period or composite. Write P for prime. P you have to put like this. P for prime and C for composite. Question number 1. 12. Put a dash over here. Question number 2. 31. Put a dash over here. Question number 3. 39. Put a dash over here. Question number 4. 27. Then put a dash over here. Question number 5. 107 is written. Wait. 12. 12, 31, 39, 27, 57. Sixth one is 91. Varun, please switch off your mic. Whenever you talk to others, please switch off your mic. You know what you have to do? If this is a prime number, you have to write P. And if it is a composite number, you have to write C. Do it.
Ma'am, in the previous class, I can't understand the prime and composite.
Beta, prime numbers are those numbers which comes in the table of itself and 1. For example, 2. 2 can, by which number we can say prime numbers are those numbers which can be divided by itself. वही नंबर होते हैं प्राइम नंबर्स जो अपने आप से डिवाइड हो सकते हैं या फिर 1 से हो सकते हैं, किसी और नंबर से जो डिवाइड नहीं हो सकते, दे आर नोन एज प्राइम नंबर्स. हाँ बेटा, यस.
Ma'am, what we have to write of 1?
1 is neither prime nor composite, so you write n. So they.
Ma'am, these all numbers can be. Ma'am, these all numbers can be divided by 1 and itself.
Yes, they are prime numbers. And the numbers which are not prime, they are composite. That can be divided by any other number. They all are composite numbers.
Ma'am, each and every number can divide. So these all numbers are prime numbers.
नहीं, ऐसा तो नहीं है. Listen properly, Dev. जो नंबर सिर्फ अपने आप से और 1 से डिवाइड हो सकते हैं, they are prime. Okay?
मैम, जो अपने आप से 1 से डिवाइड नहीं हो सकते
हो सकते हैं. जो सिर्फ 1 से और अपने आप से होते. There are only see prime numbers like 2 है. See here, if 2 is there, 2 can be divided by itself. 2 can be divided by 2 and 2 can be divided by 1. Is there any number which can divide 2? Now if I talk about 15, 15 can be divided by 3 also. It can be divided by 5 also. Okay, so this is not a prime number. These type of numbers are prime numbers. The numbers which can be divided by only by themselves. Only those numbers.
I have that.
I have
that.
Send.
Okay. 73 prime number. 99 prime number.
क्यों 99 से नहीं करता है 11 के टेबल में नहीं आता है
Ma'am, please get a file.
Okay. Beta, you know the divisibility of 3. Like Anshuman, if I am listening, he is doing 99. Yes, very good. It's like आप 3 की टेबल में भी तो चेक करो ना. You know the divisibility of 3. अगर आपको पता करना है 27 3 की टेबल में आता है या नहीं आता है, you just try to add them. 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 is coming in the table of 3. Yes, it is divisible by 9. Yes. That means it is not a prime number. Utsav, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anshuman, good. Good, Anshuman. Anshuman,
Ma'am.
fourth answer. Anshuman, fourth answer is wrong. Correct it.
27 कैसे कंपोजिट कैसे हो गया तेरा
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा.
Ma'am, I am saying that one is
Neither prime.
one is not. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, my fourth one is not wrong. Ma'am, 27 is a composite number.
You tell. Yes. Yes. See, 2 plus 7 is 9. That is 9 is coming in the table of 3. 9 3 is 27. Yes. It is coming in the table. 9 also it is coming in the table.
Ma'am, I have done. Next one will be a composite number. Ma'am, I have written composite.
What, Anshuman?
Ma'am, I have written 27 a composite.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have
told
done.
you. Yes, 27 is composite.
Ma'am, I have done. Why you have said my fourth one is wrong?
Anshuman, because 20. Let's check. It is not coming in the table of 331. 5 table. Next prime number is 5. Is it coming in the table of 5? No, it is not coming in the table of 5. Is it coming in the table of 6? No, 5 के बाद next prime number. What is the next prime number? 2, 3, 5. Next prime number. You're not able to unmute yourself. I've given the permission to unmute.
9.
9.
9.
9?
Yes.
Next prime number is 9.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
5. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. Next prime number is what?
7.
Everyone comes in the table of 7 or not? Yes or no?
Yeah, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, it does not come. So 7 नहीं हो रहा है. Is that 11? 11 की table में आता है 31.
No, ma'am. No.
Then there is.
Ma'am, 33. Other 33.
Yes, that's why it is not coming. So we will write P here. Prime number. Now let us check for same thing. Let us check for 39. First prime number is 2. Is 39 divisible by 2?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Then 3. Next prime number is 3. 39. If you add 3 see, if you add, Anshuman, please don't shout. 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 is what? 12. 12 is coming in the table of 3. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
It is coming in the table of 3. Yes, it is divisible by 3. Yes, that means this is composite. Okay, now let's see this next one. 27. If you know the table of 9, 9 3 is 27, it is coming. And if you are facing some problem, you can do one thing. 2 plus 7 you can add. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 is coming. If it is 9, it is coming in the table of 9 or it is coming in the table of 3, then yes, it is a composite number. Many of you have done this one wrong. 57. Okay. So let's check 57 by 2. 2, it's not divisible. 2 to hoga hi nahi, even numbers. Now let's check this 57 by 3. What is 5 plus 7? 5 plus 7?
I'm 12.
12.
I'm 12.
So 57 is divisible by 3, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 57
Yes,
is
ma'am.
divisible by 3. That means it is a composite number. Okay, most of you are doing this one also wrong. 91. Now see, most of you have done this one wrong. 91. Now see, 91 is there. Let's check it by 2. 2 से तो होगा ही नहीं. 3 से check करते हैं. 9 plus 1, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 is not coming in the table of 3.
No.
So 3 is not possible. Okay. Next prime number after 3 is what?
I'm 5.
5.
I'm 5.
So is it divisible by 5? 91?
Yes, ma'am.
91 is divisible by 5?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
The next prime number is what?
Ma'am, 7. Ma'am,
7.
7. I'm 7.
We don't have any table for both the thing to 7. So let's check it by 7. 7 ones are 7.
7.
9 minus 7, 2, 1. 9 threes are 20. Oh, 7 threes are 21. 0, 0. Is it divisible by 7?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that's
Yes,
why it is composite number. Now 73, if you check one by one, it will not come in any of the tables till 13. So we will write it as prime. Okay. 99, this is the simplest one. 9 plus 9, total is what? 18. 18 is divisible by 9 also and 3 also. That's why it is composite. And 1 is neither prime nor composite.
Ma'am, 11 on.
Yes, 11 nines are 99, you can say. So, draw the ending line. Now draw the ending line. Hope everyone has done. Correct your answers. Only 73 and 31 is prime. Rest of them are composite numbers.
इसे ले जाओ यार अगर आप बाहर से लगा वो तो
Sir, please send the link.
Okay, now take out a new page in your maths notebook. No, sorry. Same page. Sorry. Same page. Okay. Continue on the same page. Draw the ending line. Leave 2 lines in between. And write question B. Shall I rub this? All of you have done this? I hope everyone has done this. Only this one is prime and this one is prime. Rest all are composite. And last one is neither prime nor composite. Do it quickly. Now on the same page, we are going to do the next one.
Ma'am,
Haan, beta.
ma'am, I am not having the space on the same page.
Then you can start. Beta, have you done it on the whole page? Chalo, then start from new page if you don't have space there. Okay, same page. If you have same page, then you can start from the same page or you can start from the new page. Write question B. Fill in the blanks.
Sir, please send the link.
Is not sent on. Okay, fill in the blanks. Just wait. Write this. You have to write whole because it is not given in your book. And those who are seeing the recording also, please do it. Because this is very important. And it is not given in your book also. Then nobody will say it is out of syllabus when
Ma'am,
if it
please
will
get
come out in
aside.
the exam.
Ma'am, please get aside.
Just wait there. Let me speak. Let me write. But if I will be side, how will I write? Dave, switch off your mic. Agrim, I didn't get your answers today. Do it quickly. Write the answers also. I will explain you. Just write the answers and send it to me. And Agrim, I want your answers. You didn't send me the previous
Ma'am,
question.
what
also.
do you put in the last line after
Who
factor?
is the factor of all dash numbers?
I have done. Ma'am, I have done.
Send it. I'm here only by the time you write.
The smallest prime number is
Very good, Anshuman. Very well done. Good, Anshuman.
Ma'am, I have also sent it.
Utsav, improve your handwriting and leave some space in between the. So suppose you are writing fill in the blank, so leave in some space. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Good, Utsav.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have also done.
Okay, good. Send me.
Link is not open. Sir, it is not. Sir, the link is not open. So please send me link again.
Good, Lakshita. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Dave, let me explain. Okay. The smallest prime number is, if you can say this, we start from the prime numbers. If we start, Anshuman, please switch off your mic. If we start the numbers, it start from. If we start prime numbers, if we start numbers, we start from 1. Then 2 is a prime number. 2 is a 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. We say 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 are prime numbers. So which is the smallest prime number? That is 2. Okay. The only even prime number is even as well as a prime number. Okay. Prime number, what is even number also and prime number also? Can you say other? This is 2, obviously. There is no other than 2. Other even numbers are not prime numbers. Dash is neither prime nor composite. Dash is neither prime nor composite. 1 is neither prime nor composite. This I told you many times. The smallest composite number is, if you see, the numbers which are not prime, they are composite. 2 is prime, 3 is prime, 4 is composite. So this is the smallest number. So smallest prime number is 4. 2 is a factor of all dash numbers. That means 2 can divide all even numbers. 2 is a factor of all even numbers. If you say, let us see 12, then 2 is a factor of 12. Factor of 12, so if we take out, 2 is one of the factor. 2 will be one of the factor. Any even number 22 if we take out, then 2 is a factor. 126 if we take out, then 2 is one of the factors. So all even numbers, 2 is the common factor in all even numbers. I hope you all understood these fill in the blanks.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone? Any problem in these fill in the blanks?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No,
Very
ma'am.
good. Okay, now, if you have any doubt, you can ask. But I can see there is very less strength.